Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install GameLoop in your computer. Well, you need to open any of your favorite browser and then simply come over into the search option and simply search for GameLoop download. If you click on this GameLoop download, you're going to get this website called the best Android emulator for PC. So if you click on that, and then there will be an option called download GameLoop. So click on this download GameLoop, and after that you're going to get this option called click to install. So if you click on that, so here is a download option pops up. If you click on download, and the exe file is complete. So if you click on this folder icon, simply click on install and minimize all the background tab and simply click on install. You can see downloading GameLoop and it's running. You can see the GameLoop is complete, and now it's installing into our operating system and it's done. You can see the desktop icon pops in, and if you click on the start, and you can simply see the GameLoop is rightly opened in our computer. You can simply install games and you can simply play in GameLoop. So this is how we can simply do that. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.